Are you student looking for some space for your baggages? Do you have enough room in your home for placing all your storages? If not, watch this video. I will show you how optimally, effectively, safely and economically you can store all those baggages in a storage place. Come. Milan. As you may know by now, real estate in Milan is expensive. And looking for additional space in apartments to store or organize your belongings would be definitely a costly affair. So, if you're moving out of Italy, say for a short duration, like a few months or years, why should you be paying the full rent to the rooms and shared accommodations while you can store all your belongings safely for a fraction of that rent? Yes. There are plenty of options available in Milan, and today I would like to take you to one location of EasyBox storage space in the north of Milan. It's very easily accessible and right on the Viale Fulvio Testi. Actually, we had a friend who was studying here and went back to India for a short trip in the month of Jan, but unfortunately got stuck due to the COVID and other personal issues. So he decided to postpone his stay in Italy by another 3 to 6 months and hence wanted to vacate the room he was renting in Milan. That is when we found this self-storage, and today we are going to their office for renting a small space. We picked these things and visited the office in Cinisello Balsamo. When you drive on Viale Fulvio Testi, it's hard to miss the EasyBox. So it's prominently located right in the signal. It is very easy to locate the office. So this center has everything you need for storing your belongings. Because if you need any packing materials or a lock for your boxes or any packing materials, everything is available here. So you can easily buy from here and then use it in your storage space. The storage premises is monitored using the CCTVs, and as you can see here, there is a separate center where they monitor all the locations in the storage space for higher security. Access to the storage space is open 24/7 with this security code, and you have ample parking space for your vehicle. There is an additional security code to be entered for accessing the storage space. As you see, the place was very neat and well organized. They had storage spaces in different sizes, but since we had just 3 suitcases, we went with the smallest available space, which is just a big box of 1 cubic meter. So once we were satisfied, it was just a few minutes of paperwork and we are ready to rent the place. That's it. We signed the contract and we are given the codes and the logs for the storage space. Also, we got a notice period of 7 days in case we decided to surrender the storage space. So how much did we pay? The 1 cubic meter space was costing around 60 euro including IVA per month. In fact, they surprised us with the 50% offer on rent for the first 2 months. There is an additional cost of 14 euro for the insurance, which is actually mandatory, that covers you up to 4,000 euro. To sum it up, it's like 50 euro per month for the storage rental. So finally, here we go into the storage area. There are trolleys available which you can take so that you can help yourself to move the belongings very easily without needed to carry all the heavy stuffs in hand. So finally we started unloading the baggages from the car to the trolley and started moving towards our rented storage space. I'm sure if you're going alone, it's going to be a challenge in managing the trolley plus keying in the code on the keypad. So here we go. We unloaded all the baggages into the storage box that we rented, and we are actually surprised, like, because we were initially thinking, will it be really sufficient for the baggages we have? But then looking at the current situation, we are very happy that we chose the option for 1 cubic meter. In fact, even we can store more things if needed in the same space. And as I mentioned, this place is accessible 24/7, so if you want to bring in more things and stuff in here, no problem, you can come anytime you want. So I'm sure this video has been very informative for you. Please do not forget to like and share with your friends, and yes, do not miss the subscribe button. Click it now. Thank you guys.